So when I first got the hot tub, what I was thinking of doing was just getting some friends together, buying beer and borrowing a truck and moving our hot tub in ourselves. Then there was a company that craned it out over the guy we bought it from, and they offered to do it for $400. So we went with it. I think it was worth every penny, and you're going to see right now how good and professional they were.
That corner fancy.
I'm good. When you're ready to get out of the way, so I can go a little bit further in.
You want to go out?
I want to come to you a smidge more and then swing it. So yeah, I want to come into you a bit more and then swing my end over because I need a little bit more clearance. So if you
Okay, so I'm
down,
gonna jump down.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna come a bit to you.
Yeah.
Swinging my end over. Okay, one sec, jumping down myself. Yep. Yep, anywhere there. Go for it. Just bounce. Yeah.
Pretty big, huh?
Alright, 1 second, let me just pre-plan our... I should lead so that when we get into there, we flip that's the slightly protruding end. So that's the side we want to flip down, so I want to go in first so that, yeah. So I'll take a lead.
Gotcha. Okay.
Keep going, come on.
Okay, pause.
Pause it, because I gotta go and set up this next section anyway. So, and we'll swing your end as much as possible. Then we'll sort of catch
So let me get him to hold the rope.
Yep.
Once I push, you're just gonna twist your side up.
Okay, so,
Okay?
okay, so I'm gonna start coming in.
Yeah. You're good?
How are you angle wise? Kick your angle some more. Until we get Brian to kick it some more. Yeah, perfect. Doing my side of it. Pretty good there. So, Brian, I'm gonna get one of you. Brian, switch to balance now.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna start going up on the one side. Brian's gonna watch our balance as we come in, Andrew. Because we're gonna come in fairly straight to start. Then I'm gonna cut it over some. Come in some more. Cut it in. Go in. So, yeah, Brian. Okay. Just gonna start to lean on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna come in some more.
Remember that vicious.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Ready? 1 sec.
You're okay there?
Yeah, I'm just transitioning up. So I'm gonna have to kind of lift.
No white man talk.
What? 1 sec, 1 sec, 1 sec.
Fire.
Oh, I like it. Huh?
What's up? There we go, perfect. Blind, yeah, blind, back down. Because I'm now more so started on, which is good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm not gonna come crazy fast with this, Andrew, because I'm just watching my spacing. But when you're ready, you're good. You good, Brian?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Keep it coming. You good, Brian? Yeah. Yeah, nice. Good. More. I gotta bring him in so that he's not balanced anymore.
Okay.
There you go. Good balance. Alright. That's the funnest part. So we'll come in some more. We'll kick it all the way over, basically.
And then tip down.
And then tip it down. Yeah, I got space.
Okay, so I'm just gonna move these ladders.
Yeah. Oh, do you need to be coming some more so you can move them?
Coming in.
Okay, just a bit. Just a smidge.
Coming in.
Okay, that's good.
Bugger.
I did that one for you.
Uh-huh.
Okay. You didn't know about that?
Mine didn't look like that.
Alright, so I'm going to come in a little bit more to me, and then we'll start to swing your end over to straighten it up. So when you're ready, you can come to me.
Okay.
Okay, right about there.
You're good there?
Yeah. How are you on your front spacing there?
I'm gravy, bro.
Okay. So start coming over, just watch yourself on the deck there. 1 second.
No.
Just go phone. No, it doesn't matter, it's spam. Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Yep. When you're comfy. All on you.
Okay, come to.
Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna swing my side a little to cheat to match.
Wally, do you want to remove that bricks?
You okay?
Yeah, I just had to get space.
Okay.
And
I think that's perfect right there.
Now let's look at our spacing back here. Yeah, oh yeah, I love it.
Okay. Alright.
It might be back here. Yeah. I was gonna put it on the mat. That will slide.
Exactly.
Alright.
How to do it. That's the thing.
Okay, there we go.
Good? Clutch is good?
Yeah. That's really good.
Alright, so I gotta push one.
Yep, yeah. Okay, just the tail.
Alright, that's good. That's good right there.
There we go.
Hold on.
I know, that's what I said. I was sitting on it and I was like, woo! Push it a little.
Okay.
You need a hand in?
Really?
Yeah.
Come to the shove.
Okay, no, 1 second.
Whenever you guys are
Yeah,
Now
if you
I
want-
need that. Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we'll just stand it up. On out. And we're gonna hook it on now. Yeah, whichever way. Beautiful.
Good.
Doing pretty good as my centering wise.
just
Back
it.
too. Come to the left. I was gonna say, I'll take this point, you take that. We'll just shimmy, 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 shimmy. Yeah, find your grip. Yep. Adjust what you need to adjust.
Need a good foot.
Yep. What's the best? No, it's not. Yeah, do you need? I'll get check. I'll help you get started because then you can actually get a lean through it. There we go.
It went all the way in.
Are the nails?
Okay.
How far are we on your side, Zach?
There's like another foot.
Another foot now? Okay. Okay, I can see the edge, so
Yeah.
how tight are you thinking on that side?
I'd kind of like to get it centered, I guess.
Yeah, so I'm just basically like, I'm just looking at the wood.
Centered.
You tell
Let's
us.
have a look at the side over here.
I was gonna say, I'm looking pretty good as far as, we're basically looking at a thin strip of rock now.
Okay, yeah. Maybe just. Because once it's there, it's there.
I was
right?
gonna say, you're not gonna want to move it too much yourself.
Maybe one more inch.
One more inch, absolutely.
Okay, perfect.
How's that?
Good.
That is perfect.
I was gonna say, check
Come look
this
here.
here. Perfect. Okay, when you guys all good?
Okay.
Oh, we clean, son.
Oh yeah.
Take it on the, yeah. Exactly.
Hold on now.
Holding on. Getting switching my side so I can help drag you in better.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, put these in. Only these sides.
I was gonna say put that side on because that side's the side that you always leave clipped anyway. So
Oh, camera flat on this end. What's going on here?
that's why just side to side as far as which side it goes.
No, this side is.
Snug, right?
Yeah.
Something on this side. Something. Right that up. Something.
Yeah. That's it. I mean,
Right
this side's
there.
more.
You got a finished toss?
All right. Sweet.
Alrighty.
Good morning, hot tub.
Oh, yeah, to do work.
It's gonna work today. Smile. Good morning, hot tub.
Mornings are never good.
Where are you going, Wally?
Going hot tub.
Hot tub? Really? Where's that?
You're so cheesy.
First time our hot tub experience in our backyard. I don't think he's gonna jump in. Huh?
So nice. Where's the controls?